Good morning, children. Our next topic is leaves. We are discussing about parts of the plant. So our next part, that is leaves. So in this video we'll see that structure and functions of leaf. First we'll discuss about structure. In leaf, that attaching part, a part of the leaf which attached to the stem is known as petiole. जिस पार्ट्स को हम जहाँ से ब्रेक करते हैं लीफ को, वो जो ज्वाइनिंग पार्ट होता है बेटा, दैट इज नोन एज पेटियोल. एंड होल सरफेस दैट इज ग्रीन कलर. यू नो दैट लीफ कलर ऑफ लीफ इज ग्रीन. सो होल सरफेस और ग्रीन पार्ट इज नोन एज लेमिना. आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन बेटा. The part of the leaf by which it is attached to the stem is known as petiole, and whole broad green surface is known as lamina. You can see here there are thin like structure. So आप घर पे एक लीफ तोड़ के लाओ और उसको थोड़ा सा आइडेंटिफाई करो. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे thin lines present होती है. These thin lines are known as veins. And here is a broad line. That broad line is known as midrib. Midrib is a broad line in which there are thin line veins are attached to it. यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखो बेटा. That is that middle line that is known as midrib, जिसमें आप देखो ध्यान से there are lots of thinner lines are joined to it. So these lines are known as veins, and that broad or thicker line is known as midrib. So basically there are four part of the leaf. Attaching part of leaf is known as petiole. Whole broad green surface is known as lamina. That broad and thicker line is known as midrib, and there are thin lines present in a leaf. These thin lines are known as veins. So on the basis of veins there are two type of leaves. Structure of the veins present on leaf form venation. What is venation? Structure formed by veins are known as venation. ये वेन्स से जो स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा है इसको हम बोलते हैं venation बेटा. So the design made by veins along with midrib is known as venation. Spelling is VENATION. So what is venation? Venation is the structure formed by veins are known as venation. So venation क्या है? जो veins का structure form हो रहा है. So there are two type of venation. One in which all veins are form a net like structure. Here you can see that it is a net like structure. That type of venation is known as reticulate venation. That is reticulate venation. A venation in which veins form net like structure, that is known as reticulate venation. And one more venation, that is parallel venation. जनरली आपने एक व्हीट एंड राइस के लीफ देखा होगा बेटा. उसमें जो वेन्स होती है वो लाइक दैट स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म नहीं करती. उनके जो स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं बेटा वो पैरेलल टू मिडरिब होते हैं. ये सपोज ये मिडरिब है, सो इसके स्ट्रक्चर इसमें क्या होगा? पैरेलल होगा ऑल स्ट्रक्चर्स. तो आप जनरली ग्रासेस, व्हीट, राइस ऐसे जो ग्रेन्स प्लांट है उनकी जो लीफ के स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं वेन्स के, ऑल आर known as parallel venation. So there are two type of venation. What is venation? First, structure formed by veins are known as venation. There are two type of venation. One is reticulate venation in which veins form a net like structure, and in parallel venation all veins are parallel to each other. Okay beta, I am repeating again. Joining part of the leaf or attaching part of leaf is known as petiole. Whole green surface is known as lamina. That broad strong line is known as midrib, and there are thinner line which is present on a leaf is known as veins, and veins form a structure that is known as venation. There are two type of structure or two type of venation. One is net like structure, that is known as reticulate venation, and another which is present on grains plant like wheat and rice and grasses as well, form a parallel venation. These parallel lines, parallel veins are present in a leaf that parallel lines form a venation. That venation is known as parallel venation.